discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Nice. Oh wow, the beauty panel so you can see everything hidden and clean. And you still can be able to put things back here without having to worry about touching everything. I like that. Did this box get built in or did it slide in?
It slide in, you can pull it out.
From the back?
Yep.
Wow, okay.
Yep.
That looks good.
Right now, I was waiting on my battery to come. It never came, but I'm running off a regular battery.
Okay.
2 LTO.
Yes, sir.
So I'm under power, but it's still good, man.
Yes, sir. Nice. This is a Dodge Charger?
Yeah.
Okay. Challenger, sorry. Let me get one more. Nice. Do you have an alternator underneath? Upgraded? Okay.
320.
320, okay. There you go. This looks good.
Thank you.
Did you build this?
Nick Little with Slick Customs back in Savannah, Georgia.
Okay. So, what's your equipment, power, everything pretty much? Go ahead. And your name. Go ahead, man.
Andre Lennon. I got a Dodge Challenger running an 8K tar amp at 1 ohm. I got a parallel series wired. Those are 3512 hard DB Apocalypse. Wired and parallel series to 1 ohm.
Okay.
Box tuned to 24 hertz. I got a tar amp 800 by 4 on my mids and highs with a Rockville 6.5 and DS18 tweeters, scuba tweeters. On a Kenwood head unit.
Nice.
Power, I got a JS 320 alternator.
Okay.
I got a regular battery right now, so I'm underpowered. But, and I
Your
got
voltage
2
is
yeah,
okay.
Already low.
I like the way it's curve port too,
Yeah.
and how you kind of baffled it and you mounted it to the floor so it doesn't move.
Right.
Are you doing is it fully sealed off at the trunk or is it just?
It's not sealed.
Okay, so you have a little bit of breathe room there.
Yeah, a little bit of breathing.
Yeah, but it is louder with these seats down.
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice. Yeah, I would love to hear it.
All right.
Oh, you're having issues right here. I see you have a towel.
Yeah, it was starting to leak. The seal broke just the day before yesterday.
But okay. It'll work. All right.
It'll work.
Yeah, I would love to hear it.
Niggas 10 connect. Time. Let's get it. All my bitches call me poppin', sloppy pockets, I'm poppin'. All these dollars I've been clocking, it ain't no way to stop. My wrist so wacky, live on ratchet, watching 3 mil on watches. So much ice dripping off me, you and your bitch can play hot or sippin'.
Like really tuned low.
21.
21.
21 hertz.
That's wild. You can play them subs down to 21 in the trunk. Yeah. And I know you said you're working on your voltage still, so it is dropping a little dangerous low sometimes, but.
So I had to back up off it.
Yeah, but it works, man. I appreciate the demo. What's your name?
Andre.
Andre. Okay. Is there a way you can see the back one more time for a picture?